Hello, I'm Terry Johansson. If you feel that you've been cut out of a will or that your inheritance is not sufficient, you can easily claim your rights, and usually there is no court hearing. We will give you a free initial review on the phone. The first half hour of our first conference, held in our office or on the phone, is also free if you do not proceed. If you qualify for our no success, no fee plan, we will only charge you if your claim is successful. See our terms and conditions for details. Call me or send an email with your phone number.